Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Friday Favorites and Flops. I do not have a long video this week. I only have a few products to share, and that's because I literally haven't worn makeup in over a week. Like this, I did a full face first impressions try on because I have just really been wearing anything. Oh, I'm getting a huge box. Hopefully my husband can get up and get that. FedEx and mailman are both here at the same time. Boom, my day's good. So anyways, I haven't been wearing a ton of makeup at all recently. It's just been summer, I've been relaxing, and I have been deep cleaning my house. I've been doing the KonMari method where you really, it's like the art of tidying up. You are really going and looking at everything and deciding if you want to keep it or not. So I've been watching like crazy YouTube videos on that. You're like holding everything. Does it bring you joy? If not, get rid of it. I've been trying to like pare down my belongings in half. I have way too much of everything. So I'm trying to do that. I got my whole room completely clean and done, and I feel so good. So that's what I've been doing. I've been cleaning and not wearing any makeup. So I don't really have a ton to share, but I do have a few products. The first I want to share with you is this Natasha Denona Super Glow Highlight. I love this. I've been wearing this a lot recently when I am gonna go out at all. So if I decide to do anything, I go out and put highlighter on. I've used this. This is just beautiful. I got this a couple of weeks ago, and I mean non-stop. Every time I choose to wear a highlighter, I've been using this. It's just so pretty, and it's gorgeous. This is the Super Glow in Fair, and it's what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. Right there. I like it because I just feel like it doesn't accentuate texture at all on your skin. It goes on really, really well, and it still gives like a glow, but I don't feel like I have like little bumps kind of up near around like my cheeks and stuff, and I just feel like it goes on and the formula of it just lays on the skin really well while still reflecting light and giving like that brightness and that shine. So I really love these. The second are two products from the line Monat. Now, I've tried this line before and I liked it okay, but I just didn't get it to like, it made my hair grow like crazy. Like it really did make my hair grow when I tried it before. And I did feel like my overall hair health was good. But I just feel like the line was the products that I had were so limited at the time, and I really needed something to use like a purple shampoo. And they did end up coming out with a platinum line, so there is a purple shampoo, which I've been testing that out as well as some of the other products in the line. And then these two products have been like standout products for me, so I want to talk about them. So a girl I followed her for years, really. Her name online, like her screen name is different than her actual name. Her actual name is Jessica. So I'm going to list all of her information down below, and she is the rep. She did reach out to me to try Monat again. Her hair just looks incredible. She's a stylist. I really trust her opinion. I've heard so many great things about the line, and like I said before, I had tried it and I had good results, but I just kind of after a while went back to using other things because I did really need a purple shampoo and it just didn't have that. So, but she ended up sending a few other products to try and sent these within that order, and I have just been loving them so much. First of all, this is the Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. This is one of the best dry shampoos I've ever tried. Honestly, it just really... The one thing I've noticed about using Monat products now for the past like 3 weeks is I can go 3 or 4 days without washing my hair, and I still feel like if I use this, it still looks good. Like my hair is not getting as greasy at the roots anymore. And I still feel like it looks good. Like I feel like my hair feels healthy and nice, and just like it feels like almost like thicker again, like just nourished. I don't know how to describe it, but I really do overall feel, but that's not what this video is about. But I will do a full dedicated video on my experience using Monat at the end of like maybe 3 months or 2 months of using the products. But this dry shampoo is incredible. It smells really good. I really, really like this. I think I'm going to continue to purchase this one. I also like my Kristen S one from Target. I think that's a beautiful, like, I love the scent of it. I love the dry shampoo. but I've been going to this every single time and I just love it so much. And then this blowout cream is just so good. I didn't think I would like a blowout cream because I feel like that's too heavy in my hair typically, but this protects your hair. It smooths it, it adds shine to it. I love this stuff so much, and you only need really a little bit. So I just, like, after I get out of the shower, I just put a little bit on. She told me to put a little bit on even if I don't intend on doing any type of, like, you know, thing to my hair, like heat products to my hair. Even if I don't intend to do that, this adds extra shine and controls frizz. So I really have been loving those two products. But again, I'm still working my way into trying some of the shampoos and conditioners, also that platinum line. So I will keep you guys updated on that. So far, I feel like it is doing a good job brightening my hair and keeping it nice. And I like my hair to look less yellow, so, you know, brassy. But anyways, that is kind of it for me this week. Like I said, I haven't really been wearing a ton of makeup products, really just that highlighter if I've been using any makeup product at all. So I don't really have, oh, you know what? You know what product I really ended up loving and I've worn a ton recently is this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. I have worn that a lot. If I have worn any foundation at all, I have chosen to wear that. I really, really, really like it. And I do have a full review on that. If you guys missed that, I will post it. But anyways, that is it for me and my Friday favorites. Let me know what you guys, some of your favorites are down below. By the way, I did post a cooking video this week. I know that that's kind of out of the norm, but I really love Home Chef. They gave me the opportunity to provide you guys with $30 off discount code for that video that went up on Wednesday. So the code is Laura30, I believe. So $30 off your first order, so you can try it for free. And I really recommend you guys doing that because that's how I kind of tried a bunch of different delivery services. As I gathered all the codes and I tried all the different home delivery services for food, and I really ended up falling in love with Home Chef. So I was just really happy that they wanted to work with me again. So anyways, yeah, if you guys missed that video, because I haven't really been posting a whole ton recently because, you know, summer and everything, but I will get back to the norm of my posting soon. But hopefully you guys are having a great summer, you had a good week, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.